welcome back to my channel, Elves at your service. And today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to play A Million Dreams. It's an original motion picture soundtrack from the album The Greatest Showman. And this song is requested by Sheila Makasuhot Lim and Ayesha Arya Lim of Davao City. But before po tayo mag-start, shout out po muna tayo. Shout out to Madam Rebecca Lopez of Mats College of Technology, Trixie Amaris Trinidad, Donel Onyot, Jenny Tahura, Chini Kamahalan, John Paul Esber, Maybeth Pineda, April Estrellado, Amy Ankersmith, Daisy Ankersmith, Jackie Pajo, Joyce Bravo, Jellyfe Bravo, Chedeline Bravo, Jenny Calamigan, Israel Salunga, Hashan Perez, Julian Jane Quanan, Jerry Lugan, and John Torno. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan at thank you po sa walang sawang pag-support sa channel na ito. So, hindi na po natin patatagalin. Grab your instruments. Let's begin! Third fret, string number 6. Second fret, string number 5. And third fret, string number 1. Second fret, string number 6. Second fret, string number 3. Second fret, string number 1. And third fret, string number 2. Second fret, string number 5 and string number 4. Third fret, string number 5. Second fret, string number 4. And first fret, string number 2. First fret, second string. Second fret, string number 4 and string number 3. A Million Dreams chords. Intro, play G major chords, down to verse, G major chords, to C major chords, down to refrain, from D major chords to C major chords 4 times. After refrain, down to chorus, from G major chords to C major chords, down to interlude, from G major chords to C major chords, then repeat verse if you want to go back to verse. After verse, play chorus from G major chords to C major chords, down to instrumental, from G major chords to C major chords, then chorus again from G major chords to C major chord, this time C major chords, 2 bars or 8 counts, down to finale from G major chords to C major chords, play it twice, then play G major chords.
Okay, sana ay nag-enjoy po kayo. If you'd like to see any lessons or songs you'd like to learn, let me know in the comment below. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. See you around. Thank you so much. Elves at your service. God bless you all.